Hello and welcome back to the series of constructions. Let's begin with our next question. Construct a rectangle ABCD in which AB is equal to 8 cm and angle BAC is equal to 30 degree. Before we can construct a rectangle, we need a base. So let's take a ruler and pencil and draw 8 cm as the base, which is given to be AB. Now we have angle BAC given 30 degree. So here we'll have angle BAC. Now AC will be the diagonal. So using the compass, let's construct 30 degree. First let's make 60 degree. Let's cut an arc and now bisect 60 to get our 30 degree. Now using the ruler and these 2 points, let the line go. Now we don't know where C is, but we know that this is a rectangle, and so each of the angle is equal to 90 degree. So angle B will be equal to 90 degree. Now let's construct 90 degree using the compass at B. So let's cut an arc. Now this is 60. Let's cut another arc to get 120. Now let's bisect 60 and 120 degree. So here using the point B and the 90 degree point, let's join the line, and this is 90 degree. So as we know, this is a rectangle, so AD will also be 90 degree and AB will be equal to CD. Now AC is the diagonal and BD diagonal will also be the same. So let's use our compass and take the radius of BC. Let's put it at A and cut an arc here somewhere where we'll get our point D. Now let's measure AB, 8 cm, put it at C, and now cut an arc here. So there we have our point D. So using the ruler and pencil, join the line from that point and from here. So we have our point D. This is also 8 cm. This is equal to side AD, and we are done with our rectangle. Next question. Construct a rectangle ABCD in which BD is equal to 7 cm and an angle between the two diagonals is 60 degree. Now let's draw BD, which is given to be 7 cm, and logically BD is a diagonal. So let's draw BD, which is 7 cm. Let's write the measurement and label it. Now we know the angle between the two diagonals is 60 degree, and diagonals of a rectangle bisect each other, so an angle between them will be 60 degree. Now we don't know where is the point of bisection, so using the compass we'll draw the perpendicular bisector, and let's align the 2 points and get the point of bisection on BD. So this is the point where BD will be bisected by the other diagonal. So using this point, now let's construct an angle of 60 degree using the compass. Let's cut an arc for 60 degree. You can cut it from any direction. So here we have our 60 degree. Now using the ruler and pencil and this point, and this point, let's draw the line on both ends. Now we have the diagonal AC, but measurements are not marked, so we know the diagonals bisect each other. So if we divide 7 by 2, we get 3.5 centimeter. So the half of the diagonals will be 3.5 centimeter each. So according to the properties, diagonals bisect each other and diagonals are equal in a rectangle. So let's cut 3.5 centimeter from the center on that line. So let's take the radius of 3.5 centimeter on the ruler. So here is 3.5, you can see, and now place it at the point of bisection, cut an arc here, cut an arc here, and now we have got the points A and C. So let's label it A and C. So we have the points A, B, C, D. Now simply join the points C to D, D to A to B, and B to C. So we have a rectangle ready, as you can see. Now let's write the point as O, and BD will be equal to AC 7 centimeter, and half of the diagonals OC is equal to OA 3.5 centimeter, OB will be equal to OD is equal to 3.5 centimeter, and this angle is equal to 60 degree. Let's mark it. We can even write the measurement of AC, which is equal to 7 centimeter. And so we are done with a rectangle. Thank you.